Hello everyone, GameBreaker64 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Chosen Few Effects SoftEngine 3D plugin somewhat created by YodaDude2003. Once you get the installer, I recommend you read the information because he has credits and general information about the effect and how it works and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to use this new filter and make a little animation. So first you gotta drag this onto the layer. Now it can be anything, it can be like an image or video. As long as it's the same aspect ratio of your project, it'll be fine. And if you have like a video, it'll wrap the source around the model and act as a texture. So what you gotta do here is browse for a model, and it can only be an OBJ, and you can get a bunch of OBJ models at places like CG Trader and Turbo Squid for most of the time low prices, but sometimes they're absolutely free. As you can see, the model has been imported onto the screen and it's very far away from the camera, so I'm gonna save here because putting the model too close to the camera, it'll end up going inside of it and the software will most likely crash. So this seems to be pretty good. Let's just reduce it some more. Yes, sometimes you have to manually adjust these. So let's do 30. And that should be a good distance. So we're going to save there. Now from this point, you can adjust the camera translation. This is basically the position of the camera and its focus on the model on the X, Y, and Z axis. So when you move the camera like this, it'll rotate. See, I'm doing it on the Y axis, so while moving it up and down, it's pointing the model towards the camera. So if you want to physically move the model on the X or Y or Z axis, you will have to do it adjusting the model parameters. Now here, you can adjust the model yaw, which is basically the up or down angle at which it is. The pitch sort of rotates it, and the roll makes it do sort of like a barrel roll. So now you might be wondering about making a little animation. So let's just change the pitch a little bit, and maybe the yaw, and we'll change the X position of the model, and then we'll set a time. Let's say, make it about this long. Oh yeah, one thing that I should add is you can layer models on top of each other. So if I create a new video track and insert this model again, you can see that there's a new model on screen. Although it might be a little difficult to see because adjusting the X parameters makes it go pretty fast. And I suggest making a keyframe for all axes, just so you have a beginning keyframe. So then we'll go over here. Then I'll save here. And the plane will go way out into the distance. So that doesn't really look like what we want right now. So let's make a little keyframe in the middle that adjusts the position further. So I recommend that you switch it to draft so that you can sort of see it at full frame rate. So that's a pretty good animation we got. Let's sort of spice it up with the clouds. That's pretty much it for this tutorial on how to use the 3D plugin for Chosen Few Effects. Thanks for watching. Bye.